This video shows how to unbox and set up HP DeskJet GT 5820 and 5810 printers. This is the HP DeskJet GT 5820 printer. The first thing you do is break the tape and open the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Start Here guide. This has the written steps for what we are showing in this video. This is the HP printheads and ink warning sheet. The printhead latch warning flyer, which might be loose with the other printer materials or inside your Start Here guide. The printer user manual, which also includes instructions on how to set up the software. And the printer setup disk for both Windows and Mac. If you misplace this disk, you can download the software and drivers at 123.hp.com/DJ5810 or 123.hp.com/DJ5820, depending on your printer model. Remove the cardboard tray and set it aside. Next, we have the USB cable for connecting your printer to your computer. You can set up your printer over wireless or USB with the 5820 model or USB only with the 5810 model. And the power cord. Remove the cardboard. Next, we have the ink bottles. These bottles are designed for a spill-free refill process. The first bottle is the GT51 black ink bottle. Then we have the GT52 cyan ink bottle. Then the GT52 magenta ink bottle. And lastly, the GT52 yellow ink bottle. Here are the black and tricolor printheads. Set these aside to install later. Pull out the handles on the printer bag. We will use them to pull the printer out of the box. Rotate the box so the printer is on its side. Using the handles, pull the printer and styrofoam out of the box. Set the box aside. Set the printer on a flat surface and remove the styrofoam end caps. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. On top of the printer, there's a warning sheet telling you to follow the Start Here guide to set up this printer. Now we will remove all the tape and packing material from the printer, starting with the back. Remove the tape holding the input tray in place. Go to the ink tanks and remove the tape holding the ink tank lid down. Next, start removing the tape securing the scanner lid in place. This tape is designed to not leave residue on your printer. Open the front door. Remove the piece of tape and the cardboard restraint. Remove the last piece of tape and open the printhead access door. Remove the remaining cardboard restraint from inside the printer. Close the printhead access door. Lift the scanner lid and remove the protective plastic from the control panel and around the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Close the front door. Grab the power cord that was set aside earlier and remove the twist tie. Plug one end of the power cord into the back of the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. In this video, we are using a power strip, but HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance. Make sure the printer is on a flat, even surface, then push the power button. Now, grab the ink bottles and we will fill the ink tanks using its spill-free refill process. First, make sure the ink valve is in the unlocked vertical position. Lift the ink tank lid. Remove the yellow ink cap. For these steps, HP recommends setting all ink materials on the cardboard that was removed from the box earlier. Remove the GT52 yellow ink bottle from its plastic packaging. Set the bottle on a level surface and twist to remove the bottle cap. Slowly remove the seal from the ink bottle and set it on the cardboard. Replace the cap on the ink bottle, making sure it is tight. Flip open the lid. Turn the bottle upside down and set it on the ink tank spout. Do not squeeze the ink bottle at any point during the filling process. Once the tank is full, slowly remove the bottle from the tank while keeping it upright. Rotate the bottle and close the lid to help contain ink in the spout area. Reinstall the yellow ink cap and remove the magenta ink cap. Remove the magenta ink bottle from its package. Set the bottle on a flat surface and remove the cap. Slowly remove the seal from the ink bottle and set it on the cardboard. Tightly secure the bottle cap and flip open the lid. Place the bottle upside down on the tank spout. Once the tank is full, remove the bottle. Close the lid and set it on the cardboard. Reinstall the tank cap and remove the cap from cyan. Open the package to remove the cyan ink bottle and set it on a flat surface. Remove the cap and slowly peel back the seal. Twist on the bottle cap. Flip open the lid and set it on the tank spout. Once the tank is full, remove the bottle, close the lid, and set it on the cardboard. Lastly, open the black ink bottle from its packaging. Set it on a flat surface. Remove the lid and peel back the seal. Set it on the cardboard with the others. Replace the bottle cap. Make sure the cyan cap is on and remove the cap to the black tank. Flip open the lid and place the bottle on the ink spout. the tank doesn't begin filling, remove the ink bottle and mount it on the spout a second time. When the ink approaches the maximum fill line, remove the bottle from the spout. The bottle will have some ink remaining, which should be kept for future use. Ink bottles should be stored upright and in a cool, dry location. Reinstall the last ink tank cap and close the ink tank lid. Next, we will install the printheads. Remove the tricolor printhead from its package. Remove the black printhead from its package. Open the front door and the printhead access door. The carriage will move to the center of the printer. If the carriage does not move, make sure the printer is powered on. Remove the plug from the tricolor printhead. Then, using the pull tab, remove the protective tape from the contacts. Hold the printhead by its side to avoid touching the contacts and nozzles. We will install the tricolor printhead first. Push down to open the blue carriage latch. Slide the printhead until it snaps into place. Next, remove the tape and plug from the black printhead. Holding the printhead by its sides, slide it in until it snaps into place. Once both printheads are installed, push down firmly on the blue printhead latch. You must close the blue printhead latch for the printer to work properly. Close the printhead access door, then close the front door. Pull out the input tray and slide the paper width guide out. Load plain, white paper and adjust the guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Pull out the output tray and extender. When you see the blinking P on the printer's control panel, press the resume button for 3 seconds. Once a blinking letter A appears, the printer will calibrate and print an alignment page. An alignment is necessary to complete setting up your printer. An alignment page prints. Place the alignment page face down on the scanner glass in the lower right corner. Close the scanner lid, then press the Start Color Copy button to complete the alignment. Once the alignment is complete, the printer begins priming. The printer must remain on for 45 minutes until the priming process is complete. While the printer is priming, you can print, scan, copy, install the printer software, or connect your printer to your wireless network, if available. This was the unboxing and setup of the HP DeskJet GT 5820 printer. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.